welcome to Heidi's Home. Okay, so today I am sharing with you a little mini Walmart haul. This is just going to get me through the rest of this week. I just needed a few things to make meals up. Oh my goodness, we still have food in the house, but just needed a few things, and a few wants as well. You'll see in this group of items that I bought from the store. I am completely out of breath. I'm going to tell you guys, it is so humid today. I don't know if we're expecting rain or not, but it is so brutal. And I had to go 4 different places today on the bus. So I actually rode 2 buses today, and I'm finally home. And so I do apologize. It's not much video footage for you to watch today, but I thought you might want to see what I bought today at Walmart as a mini haul. So for this, and I'll show you guys my meal plan on my board, and it may have switched up a little bit depending. I haven't looked at it here for a minute, but anyhow, got these are my favorite Ore-Ida extra crispy french fries. I put these in the oven and they really do crisp up like you have fried them. Love. I also bought a thing of peas and carrots because I'm going to make like chicken and biscuit, but it'll be like all in a casserole. Really like that. I bought these. I use this, and I'll let you guys know that these here, when you buy this, is cheaper than actually buying the peppers and the onions in the produce aisle. So if it's something you're not going to use right away, throw this in the freezer and you have them all the time. And what we're going to do is I bought the family pack, and we're going to split it down the middle. Half is going to be for my chicken and biscuits, and the other half is going to be fajitas, and I'll make some rice to go with it. And we have salsa and chips and that kind of thing, and cheese, and that will be delicious. And I can't wait till that meal because that sounds really good. Opted for the big giant Prego. Mushrooms, my favorite. Did pay a little more than I usually do, but it was cheaper to go this route than buy 2 jars of what they had to buy because it was very picked over today. I want to make a lasagna Sunday because I have somebody coming over, and I always make sure that I have enough dinner to feed him, and that keeps us from going to McDonald's or Wendy's or someplace like that, so I save in the long run. Some mozzarella cheese, some sliced cheese. I went for the generic, which is fine. Also went for the medium cheddar cheese. Got the black, I'm holding it upside down, Black Forest ham. We love this for lunch. Oh my goodness, this is really, really delicious. We're going to share the ranch, bacon ranch crunch salad. Hopefully you guys can see that all right. I went for, they did not have regular pine sol. They just had this, and this is what I've been cleaning my porch with. 98 cents, guys, cheaper than a Dollar Tree. Keep that in mind. Some things that I don't need. I got these. Do you guys remember these? Like, you used to be able to get these and like buy them by the pound, and like, these are so good. These are just sort of like a nostalgic candy for me, is the caramel creams. Love them. Also got the sweet Tart ropes. Love these. These are so good. I like a sour candy, and so those are right up my alley. Some steak and meat. You guys have been asking me to share, and I will this week in a vlog, hopefully, show you guys how I put together, Ron and myself, a steak salad. This is what I use in the salad. It is delicious. And I will tell you, very, very filling. Okay, you put this and cheese and everything else on the salad, it's very filling. Ronnie wanted some Hot Pockets. Our favorite are the ham and cheese, so I bought those. They did not have any generic, so I just went ahead and got the Grands biscuits. A thing of ranch, although I still have a little bit in the refrigerator. I just went ahead and bought that one. These were on sale today for $3 and some change. That's probably the cheapest I've seen them this year. And I went ahead and bought them because I can sit and watch a movie and just eat like 10 of these. I love them. And look what I found. You guys see what that is? You see what that is right there? That's pumpkin. I got some pumpkin spice coffee creamer. I don't usually do coffee creamer anymore, but when I seen that, I had to have it. All right, I already cut into this. I confess, I have not eaten all day. So when I came home, I opened this, got some caramel dip, and I started eating grapes dipped in the caramel dip. Oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. Amazing. A couple makeup items that I'm completely out of is my L'Oreal Infallible. I tried the CoverGirl thing and it works okay for like every day, but if you're like really wanting good coverage, pay the money and get this because it's worth it. I am number 420. This really is honestly, I think, the best makeup I've ever bought. I also opted for a lip gloss. This is made by e.l.f. I went for like a champagne-y color because when I married Ron, I had a lip gloss this color I wore in the wedding, and it was made by NYX, I think. Oh my gosh, so good. My son is a big makeup guru, if you guys didn't know that. And I was on the phone with him, and he told me to get this. So, see if you guys can see there the name of it. If I hold it back, there you go. That's what it looks like. And you'll know it because it has the white lid. Then lastly, I got Ronnie a new pair of, let me see if I can lay them here, a new pair of shorts. These are just like the lightweight shorts, the silky ones. He has 2 gray pair he wears religiously. They are comfortable to him. And I don't know if you've ever noticed this, but when you go buy men's shorts, they do have workout shorts, but they are really heavy. And he has some of those and he don't like them. I mean, I can't even imagine wearing them. They are so heavy on your body. These are lightweight and nice and cool. Anyhow, got him some new shirts this year and thought a nice pair of shorts would be really nice for him to wear. So I got him a pair of black ones. And that is all I bought today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little not so planned haul today, but I had a very, very busy day. Very productive, but very busy. And my honey will be home soon. He went the opposite direction of me today. So I'll be glad to see him when he gets home. But I hope you guys enjoy. And I will be talking to you all again soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Write me a comment. I read everything to Ronnie. And we love y'all's comments so, so much. And it just feels like I'm interacting with my people, if you know what I mean. And I consider all of you my friends. So thank you so much. And I will talk to you all again soon. Have a blessed week, guys.